How to update graphics card driver on Windows 10. Hi, in today's video, I am going to talk about how to update graphics card driver on Windows 10. I have Windows 10 installed on my PC, but you can follow along this method even if you have any version of Windows installed on your PC like Windows 7, Windows 8, 8.1, Windows Vista or even Windows XP. So let's get started without wasting any time. Go to the Start menu. Open Control Panel. Search for Device Manager in the search box of Control Panel. Click on Device Manager. In Device Manager, look for Display Adapters. Double-click on it. A submenu will appear. There you will see your graphics card listed. Double-click on it to open. Once opened, go to Drivers tab. And click on Update Drivers. You will see two options, either let Windows search for the drivers from your PC and internet, or you can browse your PC and locate the drivers you already downloaded from the manufacturer's website. Now let me show you how you can download drivers from internet. Open the web browser. Enter the name of your graphics card and search for drivers. Open the official website link. For me it is Intel. Here you can see different versions of graphics drivers. Choose according to your operating system version and click on it. On the next page, you will see 64-bit and 32-bit versions of the drivers with exe or zip format. If your Windows is 64-bit, download one of the 64-bit versions, else download 32-bits version of the drivers. Once downloaded, come back to Device Manager and click on the manual option there. Locate the drivers and click Next and install the updated version of the drivers. That's it for this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.